Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Students Homeopathy and let's learn together. In this video, we will discuss about Aphorism 1. Aphorism 1 stands like this: the physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed. Simply by this, we mean the sole aim of the physician is to help the diseased person to return back to his previous normal healthy state. Now let's understand the aphorism in details. For this, first we have to know the meanings of few words mentioned in this aphorism. That is, mission, sick, health, cure, and as it is termed. So first coming to mission. The original German version of Aphorism 1 as written by Hahnemann is Des Agites Hoster und Ingingerberuf. Kranke Menschen gesund zu machen, was man Helen nennt. Literally, German Beruf means profession, occupation, job, etc. Aridosen has used the word mission to translate original German word Beruf used by Hahnemann in his translation of 5th edition of Organon. Borick also retained the same word while translating the 6th edition of the same. But the word mission produced misconception that it has religious meaning. Perhaps doesn't want it to mean a noble profession or the object or aim of life. However, the word Beruf has been translated differently by different people. C.E. Wheeler rendered it as aim. He commented, homeopathy is no religion but a rule of practice. On the other hand, Conrad Wesselhub rendered the word calling and C.A. Baldwin supported the same. Dr. J.T. Kent commented a simple and decisive meaning of this aphorism, that is, the whole aim of homeopathy is to cure. Also, in first edition of Organon, this aphorism stands like this: the physician has no higher object than to make sick man well, to cure as it is termed. Under Aphorism 17 also, Hahnemann says, the annihilation of disease and restoration of health is the highest, the sole aim of the physician who knows the true object of his mission. Next, come to the sick. Dr. Kent has explained about the sick in detail in his lectures of homeopathy philosophy under lecture 1, which has been explained in one of our previous video on lecture 1 of Kent's philosophy. The link has been given below. Now let's get a brief understanding on the sick. According to Kent, the sick does not refer to tissue changes as the old school think, but it refers to the disorder of internal government which is prior to them. Tissue changes are only results of sickness. Kent says that is the sole duty of the physician to heal the sick, not the results of sickness, that is tissue changes, but the sickness itself. That means we should put the internal economy, that is the will and understanding, conjoined into order. Hahnemann has said there are no diseases but sick people. By this he meant that nosochomically named diseases like bronchitis, tuberculosis, asthma, etc. are not sickness, but only the results of sickness, the external appearance of disease. First, the man becomes sick, that is, the internal man. The will and understanding conjoined is deranged, and then it spreads from within outwards until the pathological tissue changes are seen externally. Now, what is health? According to Stuart Close, health is that balanced condition of the living organism in which the integral, harmonious performance of the vital functions tends to the preservation of the organism and the normal development of the individual. According to H.A. Robert, health is that condition of man in which all expressions of vital force may be expressed by perfect functioning of all parts of the body and by a sense of general well-being. Now, what is cure? Cure has been defined by H.A. Roberts like this: By cure, we mean the complete eradication of disease states and consequently the complete eradication of the symptoms and a return to a condition of normal, vigorous health. According to Stuart Close, cure of disease or the restoration of health likewise begins at the center and spreads outwardly, the symptoms disappearing from within outward, from above downward, and in the reverse order of their appearance. According to H.A. Roberts, under a cure, the symptoms of a deranged vital function always disappear in the reverse order of their appearance. This is true in acute as well as the chronic disturbances. Lastly, what does it mean by as it is termed? It means as the cure has been defined or explained in Aphorism 2, that is, the highest ideal of cure is rapid, gentle, and permanent restoration of the health or removal and annihilation of the disease in its whole extent in the shortest, most reliable, and most harmless way on easily comprehensible principles. We will study it in our next video. For aspirants, an MCQ has been asked on Aphorism 1 under GPSC Associate Professor Organon, May 2019. The mission of physician is not option A, cure, option B, restoration of sick to health, option C, annihilation of disease, and option D, theoretic medicine. And we can say the answer is option D, theoretic medicine. Under footnote to Aphorism 1, Hahnemann has cautioned the homeopaths not to explain the theoretic medicine, that is, the theoretic study of disease, the empty speculations and hypotheses concerning the origin and or cause of the disease. So that's all for today. If you have not yet subscribed to Students Homeopathy, please subscribe it now and also click the bell icon to get all the notification. Thank you for watching.